Hi, my name is Corey Moore. I'm the CEO and founder of J&M Jewelry. We have been working with insurance companies all across Texas for the past 10 years.
We wanted to provide an easy, secure, and affordable solution for the jewelry appraisal and claim process. Our jewelry appraisals can be performed on-site, which includes our offices, the customer's home or office, and even your agency's location. The jewelry is inspected in front of the customer while they wait, and the items never leave the customer's possession. With our affordable pricing and secure service, we eliminate all the concerns and headache your customers had in the past. The new appraisals are emailed directly to the customer, usually within 48 hours of the appointment time. Our secure, convenient, and quick services allows your agency to sell more coverage to your clients. If your customers are outside of our service areas, we have an easy-to-use appraisal request form available online. Simply fill out the form with the requested information and we handle the rest. If you already have an existing appraisal and the document is outdated, we can even provide you with an updated reappraisal at a reduced cost. Contact us today to schedule your customers' appraisals or have them contact us directly. We are currently servicing the greater Texas area, and we look forward to working with your agency for your customers' jewelry appraisals and claims.